Hi guys, I'm TheCubeSolver. I know that you came here because you are struggling to solve this last two pair of edges in a 4x4 cube. You can't just simply pair it because you can exchange it with any of these pair around which are already correct. This is what you have to do. Align the edges with the same color. So for example, this is orange yellow. Then the other piece which is orange yellow should also be in here. If they can be aligned, like in this case, do this algorithm facing this side. Right, front prime, up, and front. Now they are aligned. Now do this algorithm still facing this side. DW, R, front prime, up, right prime, front, and DW prime. That's it. We can now continue to the subsequent steps you need to finally solve this cube. If you already correctly paired the edges like this and you have these flipped edges, you have an edge parity. I suggest you to watch my 4x4 edge parity tutorial. We're done. If you managed to solve it, please leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.